Hi, in this video we will talk about that 10 foods that will cleanse your kidneys fast. When it comes to detoxifying your body, paying attention to your kidneys is crucial. These vital organs work tirelessly to filter out waste and toxins from your blood, maintaining overall health and well-being. While long-term dietary changes are essential for kidney health, incorporating specific foods known for their detoxifying properties can provide a fast and effective cleanse. Instead of turning to harsh cleanses or medications, consider incorporating these 10 kidney cleansing foods into your diet. Only are they delicious, but they're also packed with nutrients that can help detoxify and rejuvenate your kidneys. Number 1. Watermelon. Watermelon, often associated with summer refreshment, holds a remarkable secret beyond its juicy sweetness. It's a potent ally in cleansing and rejuvenating our kidneys. Watermelon serves as a natural hydrator, flushing toxins out of the kidneys efficiently. Watermelon acts as a gentle diuretic, promoting urine production and aiding in the elimination of waste and toxins from the body. This diuretic effect helps prevent the formation of kidney stones and supports kidney health. Number 2. Lemon. Lemon is abundant in citric acid, a natural compound known for its ability to dissolve kidney stones and prevent their formation. Consumption of lemon water or lemon juice can help flush out toxins and mineral deposits from the kidneys, promoting a clean and healthy urinary tract. Drinking lemon water not only adds flavor but also encourages increased water intake. Proper hydration is essential for kidney health as it supports the kidneys in flushing out waste products and toxins from the body. Number 3. Cranberries. Cranberries, revered for their tart flavor and vibrant color, offer far more than just culinary appeal. Superfruits pack a powerful punch when it comes to kidney health and cleansing. Cranberries are renowned for their ability to prevent urinary tract infections (UTIs) by hindering the adhesion of bacteria, particularly E. Cranberries contain compounds called proanthocyanidins, which possess diuretic properties, facilitating the removal of toxins, waste products, and excess minerals from the kidneys. Number 4. Ginger. Ginger, celebrated for its zesty flavor and potent medicinal properties, holds the key to swift and effective kidney cleansing. Ginger is a natural detoxifier, aiding in the elimination of toxins and waste products from the body, including the kidneys. Number 5. Garlic. Garlic possesses natural diuretic properties that stimulate urine of toxins, excess fluids, and waste products from the body. Urine flow. Garlic aids in kidney cleansing and prevents fluid retention, bloating, and hypertension, thereby lightening the burden on renal function. Number 6. Leafy greens. Leafy greens, such as spinach, kale, and Swiss chard, boast high water content, making them a hydrating powerhouse, paramount for optimal kidney function and detoxification as it supports the kidneys in flushing out toxins and waste products efficiently. Number 7. Cucumber. Cucumbers are composed of over 95% water, making them an excellent hydrating agent. Adequate hydration is essential for kidney function as it supports the kidneys in flushing out toxins and waste products efficiently. Number 8. Turmeric. Turmeric is rich in antioxidants, including curcuminoids and vitamin C, which help combat oxidative stress and free radical damage in the kidneys. Turmeric protects kidney cells from oxidative damage, inflammation, and premature aging, fostering long-term renal health. Number 9. Berries. Berries, nature's vibrant jewels, are not only delicious but also brimming with health-boosting properties. Their myriad benefits. Berries stand out as potent allies in the quest for rapid kidney cleansing. Number 10. Parsley. Parsley, often relegated to a mere garnish, emerges as a potent healer when it comes to kidney cleansing. Beyond its decorative charm, parsley harbors a wealth of compounds that promote renal health and detoxification. Parsley is rich in antioxidants, including vitamins A, C, and K, as well as flavonoids and carotenoids. Compounds help combat oxidative stress and free radical damage in the kidneys, protecting renal cells from inflammation and premature aging.